CADL is actively discussed following recent announcements of a $100 million public stock offering alongside a separate $100 million non dilutive royalty financing deal, generating a split community between concerns over dilution and recognition of strategic backing from a specialized biotech investor. Further interest surrounds the company's upcoming data presentation on its glioblastoma program at a key industry summit, with investors also awaiting anticipated updates for its broader oncology pipeline. Okay, so the stock is down 3.42%. This is Friday, the 20th of February 2026, pre market session. Yes, quite effective float is a low one as well. Effective float is a low one. So I think that's amongst other things why the stock is also trending. Yesterday, printed an intraday low of $4.79, recovered from those lows, and settled with a gain of 1.71%. So it was a volatile day yesterday. Today, I think possibly the fact that it's a low float is also a key thing, a key factor there. It traded between 6.35 and 4.79. Quite a volatile day. Quite a volatile day, but doesn't trades on its own. Trades on its own. The broader market doesn't influence it that much. You can see, the beta is 0.13. You want beta will be like a neutral beta will be like one. Whatever the market is doing, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. That's why it's one. So if but with this, we can say, as a matter of fact, if the broader market is appreciating, it may even not, show up. Yeah. So this is a 4 hour chart. Okay, lower prices are expected to remain in place up till an hour and a half before the market opens. By the close of today's trading session, is expected that the strength it may have picked up a bounce, and it's expected to hold the bounce at least up till Monday, the close of Monday's trading session. That is Monday, the 23rd. So it's the extrapolation is saying it's going to remain volatile up till the 2nd of March. Projections on this 4 hour chart are saying, beginning from the least, we have 4.64, 4.83, 5.15, 6.13, 6.41, 6.59. Yeah, those are the upper projections. Let's have a look at its daily chart. Okay, so the stock has been consolidating within a longer term bullish trend. Okay, let's see what we have. The extrapolation seems to be suggesting that today might be an up day. Okay, so would it reverse this loss of 3.42% it printed in the post market session of yesterday, the 19th? That's the question. We don't exactly know. So here it's saying that it might hold the strength up till Monday, the 23rd. After that, there might be a brief contraction towards the 25th. So all in all, it's just saying that we should expect a consolidation between today, or between yes or from yesterday up till early April, or mostly above its 40-day moving average. On this daily chart, we have upper projection. We have projections of 5.13, 5.35, 6.64, 7.17, 7.51. Okay, the stock is now at 5.65, right? Let's see what the market grid is going to tell us. 5.65. So the stock is, yeah, this is where it is in the support zones. In support zone. So the lower it gets towards 5.57, then we can say that a buying opportunity, well, as it is right now, a buying opportunity is playing out. Yes, a buying opportunity is playing out. Okay. Um, let's see whether it has any resistance ahead. Anything 5.69 is a resistance, and then 5.71, 5.78. Yeah, yeah, it has a staunch resistance ahead. It has a staunch resistance ahead. Yeah, okay, let's see. Below it still has even more support. 5.63, 5.57, We also saw up here. It's okay. 5.69 as well. 5.69 is a resistance here. Okay, so it has stacked up. Resistance ahead, supports below. Okay, so but it seems the algo seems to be suggesting that may from now on we may, because of where it is right now, a buying opportunity is actually playing out. Is has just opened is opening up. You know, the lower it prints, they uh, they improved the opportunity is or maybe. Okay, so yeah. Yeah, so it is a buying opportunity is playing out. Some might be buying, some may have bought already. Let's see what we have on its price pressure momentum indicator. Yeah, this is the extrapolation is saying that we'll see a bounce today. Okay, let's look at the 10-day moving average price pressure momentum of that moving average. Let's see. Okay, yeah, here we can see volatility is not really expected. So this is quite good. This can be a positive. You know, in the very short term. In the very short term, the extrapolation seems to be suggesting that we are not really going to see very much volatility by the way of momentum. So as such, whatever is going to happen may not adversely affect the 10-day moving average. Yeah, so we may not see that much volatility. Yeah, we may not see that much. Okay, we may not see that much, even though we've seen one already yesterday. We saw some amount, and also its effective load is a tiny one. So let's see now. Let's have a look at the 21-day moving average, the price pressure momentum. They also tell us how much each moving average is appreciating or depreciating based on the interval. Okay, here as well, volatility is expected to remain flat. Okay, let's try the 40-day moving average. 40-day moving average. Stability is expected. Stability is expected so far up in the short and intermediate terms. Yeah, as well. This is the medium term, flat as well. Volatility not very much is expected. Maybe this extrapolation may not be that much. May not be that much. May not be that much. Yeah, that's what it may be implying. This may not be a huge expansion. It may not be. And yesterday closed with a gain of 1.71%. Could that be what it's also? Could that be the sort of changes we may be seeing? You can see that this is the long term moving average, the 200-day moving average. It's bullish right now. It's okay, neutral to bullish, gaining 6 cents every day. Okay, another thing we could also do is have a look at the 4 hour chart. Maybe intraday it's volatile. Maybe intraday it's volatile, but manages to settle, calm the volatility by the end of the trading session. Here as well, the 200 period is flat. Okay, but this is a longer term indicator. Let's have a look at the 10 period moving average, which is a short term indicator. A faster, yeah, fast reacts are really fast. Let's see. Yeah, here we can see volatility. Yeah, so this is indeed what does happen. Maybe intraday low, intraday volatile, but maybe it manages to settle. It gets volatile, but not doesn't really reflect that volatility. Doesn't really reflect on the daily chart. Doesn't really affect intraday closing prices. Yeah, we have volatility here on the 10 period moving average on this 4 hour chart. Let's have a look at the 21 period. Let's see. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, a lot more volatile, a lot more there. Volatility is yes here as well too. So maybe going back to the daily chart, maybe this is what we are. It's maybe this may not be this may not this expansion we are looking at here may not be that much. It may not represent a lot. May not really represent a lot. It looks graphically like a lot, a huge expansion, a decent amount of expansion, but from current levels. That's really not a lot, actually. Yes, not really a lot. This is the current level here is closing price is 5.95, and here we're looking at 6.66. So actually, not a lot. Not a lot is expected to happen. So let's see how all of this will go, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.